reservation.
Lol.
That's why.
Lol.
Don't mind him.
Reservation.
Yeah, Ansik, I got your ID. Nice to meet you. You want my ID? Can't hear you. If you want, just stop drop.
Yo, baby ghost. Only we both from FIV are here now. Only now see Prakash come.
Let everyone come. Let everyone come. Then we'll, discuss the plan. What we'll do.
Where's the satellite? My God, impressive.
Guys, the best option to like go there, we have to need take the buzzard and land there.
Bro,
I think
we can't,
I did
put
that,
the
I did
gameplay
that.
live.
Last time I did that, I successfully land there, but
Yeah, we are risking the pilot's life, bro. We can't do that. We have
I mean,
to
I
think
will- I
any
will-
other option.
but they will holding some kind of heavy like shotguns or something. It will be risky too. So
Yeah.
maybe we can do one thing.
Yeah.
That like I will take the buzzard and go that way, and rest of them will push from the ladders.
Guys, there are
All
nearly
activities respond to
10 to
the
11
latest
units,
global.
10 to 11 members there.
10 to 11. We are also
Yeah.
like 10
It
to
will
11.
be
I guess.
not easy because
But we can't push up. We can't push up.
Yeah, they just aim on the ladders, and there is one ladder. So if we push up, then they will kill us easily. Like one
guys,
by
we
one.
can do one thing. We have 3 buzzards. Who will they shoot? Like one of them will at least land. Then we will distract them.
अबे भाई 11 बंदे हैं.
Bro, hey, don't have
Bro?
hey.
What the hell?
Bro, I can understand, but
No,
we
it's
don't have
not.
any
It's not a
options
green
right
grass.
now.
No worries.
Nah, bro,
So
you
it's
can't. You can't.
Speaking OC, it's a RP situation, so you can't do FL there.
I mean, if everyone
Ah,
agrees,
come here,
then
come
it's
here.
okay. But right now, we can
Come
do
here.
one thing. 3 buzzards are here. Then they will at least distract from them. One buzzard will at least land there, and
Nah,
we can
bro,
distract.
Listen to
we'll
me.
put the.
Listen
Yeah.
to me. If you want to distract them, then just go one person with one budget. And if you want to land with budget, then pull the budget, and we'll push with 2
I
person
mean,
with
I can
ladders,
land
and
there.
we can land there.
I'm good pilot.
Like there is no space. There is already one heli.
I
So-
have already did that. I'm good pilot. I can do that.
Okay, but for your safety, just using your drone and check the situation the upside
Okay. So
for your safety.
all active agents, all active agents respond to the latest global ASAP.
Prakash.
So drop
that is,
local from.
Green grass. Call the wizard.
Five.
That's the green grass. They can't
Radio check.
Respond to the global guys.
Respond to the global and local both.
Guys,
There is a
I
jet
think
of
it's a
bridge
green
ongoing.
grass. Am I right?
The whole airport is a green grass. They can't place any kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
bro.
You want to just,
I think
you
it's a
are
green grass, I
doing?
guess, because it's in the airport. Let's
Yeah,
do one
but
thing.
it's
Pray for the wizard.
unscripted.
bringing airdrop. Oh.
Pray for the wizard. It's a airport. I think it will be a different green grass. Know what I mean?
What do you mean by different green grass? We have only 15 minutes, so do it fast, guys.
Yes.
Okay, you guys got shotguns with you?
Yeah, we have some.
Everybody have shotguns?
Yes.
No, sir, no.
No.
Oh my god.
Why are we
Who's
don't take
saying no?
shotguns?
The one raising hand.
यार कार्रवाई
bro.
Okay.
Okay, like
We didn't
those who have
thought that
shotgun, you
this
know,
will
like
be a data breach. We thought this will
Yeah,
be
those who
some
have
store
shotguns
robbery or
pushing with heli, those who don't have shotguns pushing with ladders. Distract
Okay,
them
sir,
with
okay.
ladders, okay?
Yeah.
We'll land the heli and fuck
Like 12 to 13 around.
11. They are 10 to 11.
mean those who don't have shotgun will climb from will
Ladders.
climb ladders. When you just want to say just like baits.
Or listen, if you got that magic,
BAITS.
just fight with.
Or maybe we can skydive or something if possible.
No,
FIB.
Hey,
skydiving.
bro,
is
hey,
don't have
no,
time
no,
to
no,
eat fast.
no.
What
no.
skydiving?
No, it will be not possible.
It will kill all us,
Yeah.
all of us.
It's a weird place. Okay.
Let's
so
go
how many-
from ladder. Let's go from ladder. Do or die situation,
No,
bro. Let's go
Okay,
from
so
ladder.
okay, wait. Are there any
Listen.
units? I mean, soldiers are coming from NZ.
Nah, I don't think so.
Are there
giving,
any?
you know,
Are there any units are coming from LSPD?
Maybe not. None is.
Okay. From SHP. Okay, so from FIB nobody is coming currently, so we can push.
Yeah, okay, let's go then.
Yo, FIB, you just said we will push with heli. You can.
I
try.
mean, it will be not possible. So
So if we push with ladders, we'll definitely lose. Let's see, man.
Prakash, how copy? Prakash,
good copy.
did you call
Guys,
any
don't
wizard?
use this ladder. Use other
I
ladder.
did. They are not responsive.
Don't use this.
Don't respond.
Use
Don't
that
respond
ladder.
right now. Wait for some time. Check your left eye. Wizard are available in the city right now.
Guys, wait. Don't push now. I think we are doing something wrong. It's green grass, some type of. Pray for the wizard. Guys, wait.
FIB.
Pray for the wizard. I think it's some kind of green grass. Because
Green
airport
grass
is
and-
nearby.
Maybe it's also UV.
Huh?
Because there is no ladders to come this row, like this area. Like we need to climb the wall. There is no ladders. Hey,
Leos. According to my knowledge, the whole airport is a green grass. They cannot plant any kind of star at the green grass.
But who are you?
Who are
He's
you?
UC agent. Bro, don't enter UC.
I'm not entering. You guys are doing something wrong. That's why I'm here. Wait, and wizard is here. Wait.
Where
I
is
did
the-
pray, I think. Mafia, flexible radio muscle. Who responds? Mafia.
Yes.
Who respond?
From the wizard side is Ishan Big.
Okay, are they
Tell him to come
here?
here, tell him to
Are
come
they
here.
here?
Yeah. Please. I will suggest please leave the parameter right now.
What are they saying?
Leave the parameter right now. This is a unscripted class. Mostly.
So if they confirm that we can't do that, then we should move.
Yes, EOP. Yep.
Then let's move, guys. Then we can't do this.
Then
hotspot areas. Okay.
Like I'm speaking OC, when we are in N1, we will also do hacker attack here, but they just seize the
I think
area. Like, it's
I think nobody did
very-
notice that, so maybe some point of.
In my past life, I got punishment for this. That's right. I have the better knowledge.
I mean, okay, so the whole airport is come under the Green Gas, I guess. Now, what's the global for? Move for the latest global now. I'll leave this.
Get in. Those who want to come, get in.